Ukrainian pilots begin training on F-16 fighter jets. A significant stride toward bolstering Ukraine's defense capabilities was marked as Ukrainian pilots embarked on training with coveted F-16 fighter jets. This development, heralded by Ukraine's Defense Minister Oleksiy Reznikov, carried profound implications for countering Russia's air superiority. The initiation of training was not limited to pilots alone, as Ukrainian engineers and technicians also participated in acquiring vital skills related to the aircraft. Reznikov emphasized the commitment to thorough training, citing a minimum duration of 6 months. The completion of this rigorous program would be indicated by the instructor's assessment of trainees' proficiency. The training extended beyond aviation skills, encompassing the acquisition of English language proficiency, particularly in technical terminology. This underscored the comprehensive nature of the preparation, acknowledging the integral role of communication in this multifaceted endeavour. The minister noted the significance of equipping the aircraft with appropriate weaponry, underscoring the importance of components like radars and armaments. The F-16 training program received support from a coalition of 11 NATO countries, with formal US approval being a prerequisite due to the American origin of the aircraft's technology. Drone crash strikes Russian railway station. A Ukrainian drone strike in the early hours of Sunday shook the western Russian city of Kursk, leaving a trail of damage and injuries. The drone's impact struck the roof of a railway station, resulting in injuries to 5 individuals and structural damage to the building. The incident highlighted the bordering region's vulnerability to such attacks, given its proximity to Ukraine. Governor Roman Starovoyt shared an update on Telegram, indicating that one of the station's platforms had been temporarily closed due to the damage. Passengers were still able to access trains through other platforms. The extent of the damage encompassed not only the station's physical structure, but also adjacent facilities like waiting rooms and pedestrian tunnels. While the toll of injuries was relatively minor, the incident underscored the rising frequency of cross-border attacks and the increasing complexity of the conflict's dynamics. Rising toll and resilience in Chernihiv. The toll of tragedy continued to rise in Chernihiv as the aftermath of the Russian missile strike revealed more lives lost and individuals injured. Acting Mayor Alexander Lomako reported that the confirmed death count had reached 7, with 156 individuals sustaining injuries. So the attack, which targeted a university and a theatre, held a profound impact on the city and its residents. Chernihiv, once a vibrant city of 300,000 inhabitants, now bore the scars of repeated bombardments. It had endured a siege by Russian forces during the initial invasion, leading to deprivation of basic utilities. Despite the challenges, the city and its people demonstrated resilience in the face of adversity. The toll of lives lost and the scale of destruction highlighted the stark reality of the ongoing conflict and the urgent need for a resolution that would bring peace and stability to the region.